Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach how to do imposter tongue killing a crewmate from Among Us. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my welcome tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna pick a thick black pen and I'm gonna draw an oval shape for the visor of the imposter. Right there. On the top left corner of the visor, I'm gonna draw a curved line out to the left, semicircle turn diagonally downwards, and semicircle turn back to the right at that corner. Below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line and semicircle turn to the right. Below that curved line, I'm gonna draw his legs with a curved line downwards, curved line across at the bottom point of his legs and turn it back upwards across to the right. Below that line in the middle point, I'm gonna draw his right leg with a line downwards, curve line across to the right and turn it back upwards on the right corner right there. On the right corner right there, I'm gonna turn it back to the left with a curved line. And at the inner corner of his mouth, I'm gonna turn it upwards with a curved line. Turn it slightly to the right at his upper point. And from the ending point, a diagonal curved line to the lower part of his visor on the left. Now I'm gonna pick a thinner pen and I'm gonna draw a triangular shape for the teeth at the upper corner of the mouth right there, and above that I'm gonna copy two more similar shape right there. Now for the lower teeth, I'm gonna draw triangular shape along this horizontal line right here. And from the corner of the mouth, I'm gonna draw his tongue with a diagonal line to the right and slightly upwards. And above that, I'm gonna draw another similar line right there. At the ending point on the right, I'm gonna turn it upwards, sharp turn downwards diagonally, and turn it back upwards to the right diagonally. Sharp turn back inwards, turn it back out and downwards to the right, sharp turn back to the left and up, sharp turn back down, and sharp turn back up to the left diagonally to his tongue. Now from the ending point of the tongue, I'm gonna draw the visor of the dead crewmate with a curved line upwards, semicircle turn to the right, semicircle turn back downwards on the right side right there, semicircle turn diagonally to the left and across to the left, semicircle turn back upwards on the left side. Above the visor, I'm going to draw another curved line sideways to the right, semicircle turn at the top of the head downwards on the right corner right there, turn it downwards diagonally towards his leg and turn it outwards at the leg, curve line downwards, turn it back inwards to the left at that point and slightly upwards. Below that, at the outer corner on the right, I'm gonna draw another curve line downwards for the left leg, turn it sideways to the left at that corner, extend it all the way upwards to the lower part of his visor with a diagonal curve line. Now for his back, I'm gonna draw a line diagonally out and turn it downwards at the side of his outfit and turn it back inwards diagonally to the left at this lower point. Now for the imposter back, I'm gonna draw a line downwards behind his head, turn it diagonally to the right and downwards. On the right side of that ending point, I'm going to draw a line downwards, semicircle turn to the right at this lower point. Now at the back of the dead crewmate's head, I'm gonna draw the tip of the imposter's tongue with a diagonal line upwards and to the right, sharp turn back down to the back of the head. Now I'm gonna use a light blue color, and inside of the imposter's visor at this upper corner, I'm gonna draw a long oval shape right there. Now on the left side of the oval shape, I'm gonna draw a circular line across, turn it slightly downwards at the middle point and upwards along the lower part of the visor. I'm gonna fill in that space with light blue color. Now for the imposter's visor, I'm gonna draw a similar oval shape at this top corner of the visor, and on the right side of the visor, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line to the left and downwards, curve line across to the left, right there. Fill in that space with light blue color for the upper part of the visor. Now for the remaining lower part of the visor, I'm gonna fill that space with darker light blue color, like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the imposter's visor. Now I'm gonna pick a pink color for the imposter, and I'm gonna draw a curved line similar to the line of the head at this inner corner, right there. Turn it downwards at that point, turn it back to the left, semicircle turn at that corner, and turn it back to the right. Extend it all the way to the right side of his face, and I'm gonna fill in the upper part with pink color. For the remaining lower half, I'm gonna pick a purple color and fill that in. Now for his back, I'm gonna take the same purple color and draw a line across at the top section right here, right there, and I'm gonna fill the lower part of the back with purple color. For the upper part of the back, I'm gonna use pink color. Now for the teeth, I'm gonna pick a light gray color and fill in every teeth. Now for the dead crewmate, I'm gonna use light green color, and I'm gonna take the left side of his face and draw a diagonal line downwards and to the right. Semicircular turn at this lower point across. Semicircular turn back upwards on the right side and diagonal turn to the right side of his outfit. Fill in the upper half of the suit with light green color. Now for the lower half of the suit, I'm gonna pick a darker green color and fill that in. For his back, I'm gonna take this point above and draw a line across. Fill the lower part with dark green color. For the upper part, I'm gonna pick the lighter green color and fill that in. Inside of the broken visor, I'm gonna use the same dark blue color and fill that in. Right there. And for the imposter's tongue, I'm gonna use a grayish pink and fill that in. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!